All right, well, welcome back to the channel. So today you're gonna get a little glimpse of us putting a two-part mold together for the cups that we make. We've got about 4 different designs that we use. Now for the molds, it's crucial to use either a fruit wood or beech wood. Now the reason being is fruit wood and beech wood, they don't leave any marks on the glass when you're making it. And anyway, this beech wood here we've had for about a year. It's been soaking in this blue container. And now that it's February, it is frozen solid. So we need to pull it out with the ATV, and we're gonna cut it in half so it fits on the CNC table. And there's Taya. We've had Taya for the better part of a year. She's a sweet dog. We adopted her from some people that we met at Princess Auto, of all places. Anyway, we got the chainsaw fired up. I think I got it going on the 4th pull. Not bad. So on the outside, the wood is a little bit slimy. Well, once it warms up and the ice is gone, it's a little bit slimy. But now that you can see I cut it, it looks brand new. No cracking, which is good. So this should last us for a few months anyway. The average mold lasts maybe 8 days. So 8 times 8, whatever that is. How many hours? Ain't that pretty. So this is a new shape that we're gonna try. All right, so now back in the shop where it's a little bit warmer. So what I'm doing now is I'm drilling holes for vents for the steam to leave the block. If not, what it does is it pushes back on the glass, and when you come out, when the two-part mold opens up, it'll be you'll have kind of some spots that will look like they're being pushed in, but that's just the steam kind of pushing back. So you have these little holes that you've drilled, and that just releases the pressure. And voila, there you go.